Hello and welcome to IzzyBee Crafts. Today I will be making a spring-themed decorative hat. You'll need, of course, the hat. I got this for 50 cents. And you will need some faux flowers, a hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, wire cutters, and you will also need scissors, clear nail polish, and ribbon. So start off by taking the faux flowers of your choice and just using the wire cutters to cut off sections of the faux flower bouquet to glue onto the hat. Then I just started to kind of lay down all my faux flowers and faux pussy willows on the hat to kind of see where I wanted to place them. Then once I kind of got it where I wanted to, I just started to use my hot glue gun and glue the faux pussy willows and faux flowers to the hat. So I also have these white ones, which I am just gluing next to the pussy willows. Then, of course, these pink ones that I showed earlier in the video. And they kind of came in like a branch, so I just pulled some flowers off and glued them on. Then I'm using some greenery and gluing that in as well. And I have these little kind of paper flowers in white and glue those on. And I have some orange ones and some teal paper flowers. And I also have these pink kind of rose colored paper flowers and more of like a purple one. And now we are going to be making the bow. So I just took some white ribbon and I cut it to length, and I just started to tie a bow, just kind of like what you would do with a shoelace or ties on a hoodie. And then I just folded the ends of the ribbon in half and used some scissors and cut it on an angle. And that way you kind of get it so that it looks like there's a triangle cut out at the end of the ribbon, and sealed it with nail polish. And this is the end hat. I just glued that onto the hat. It looks really cute. I'm super happy with it. I really like those purplish pink flowers on the hat, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment which flower was your favorite. Bye!